Hey guys, Svenmeister here, rolling with the Shasta. Today I'm in Houston, here at that cool shop. I guess they got a TV show too, Ekstensive. Gonna, I guess we just missed Bill here, rolling in with this thing. Yeah, they built some cool shit. Hey, oh there, I guess that's the man itself there, Mr. Bill. Look at that, we got another signature on there. Right on, man. Well, so that was pretty cool. Bill's the owner Bill here is a freaking cool kid, man. Signed on my door and trailer. Very good. Of course, they gotta have this guy here. A couple of things. They said they're filming right now, so I can't really go in there. You know, it's the usual. That's a quick thing here of their little showroom. They got all kinds of compressors and bags and shit, of course, there. All the goodies, tanks, blah blah blah, everything you need for bagging jobs. You can get some t-shirts here. Got myself one. So that's pretty much it here. What I have access to it. Definitely pretty cool people here. Nice to see things. Peace out. Got a little metal art, of course. Pretty bitchin' car hauler here, and a pretty bitchin' Shasta.